Alright guys, nervous about making this video. We're gonna do an unboxing, kinda, okay? So here's the backstory. Last night I closed up shop, I walked out, and I haven't been back in there. Yesterday I airbrushed a massive project. I clear coated it and walked out. And I had no idea how it turned out. It could be completely ruined. It could have bugs all over it and dust all over it. It could be wrinkled. It could have drips. There's a million different things that went through my mind last night as I tried to sleep. So I have not been in there yet. We have not been in there yet. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know. I'm nervous, but I'm going to take you with me, and we're going to do this together. I guess worst case scenario, I don't post this video because if I get it too bad, I guess, I don't know. Well, come on, let's go. Are you going with me, sweetheart? See, she supports me in my dreams, even if I mess it up. I'm telling you, I don't know what this is going to be like. So here's the deal. What I don't do is I don't clear coat, okay? These big pieces, like the hood of your car, things like that, I don't clear coat because, well, I'm going to show you because. Luckily you guys can't smell it.
It's not too bad.
All right, so as you can see, here's my hose is still laying here. The shop is a disaster. I cleaned the gun out and laid it down. I walked out. This place was full of fumes and I couldn't breathe. I don't have, $1,000 respirators or whatever, so I had no choice but to exit as quick as possible. The suspense is killing me. Okay, so what I have to do is to try to save a little bit. Is my shop is now full of plastic to try to make a little room here to do the best I can to keep dust off, which is impossible, I know. But to keep the overspray from absolutely just landing on everything because I don't have a spray booth. So, okay, so other than the dust, which is part of the game, I don't see anything major. Do you, sweetheart? No? All right. The reveal. I hope you're still here. Here it comes. This is what I did yesterday. This is a 4-foot by 4-foot sign, guys. This may be the best eagle and flag I have ever done. I don't know. I guess that's up to opinions. It does have some dust in it. But the last one I did this size, the last panel I did this size, he took to a body shop. Had it all buffed out and cleaned up and stuff, so I'm sure he'll do that again. Because I can't do that in here. It would just make an absolute mess of my shop, and then I couldn't do these other projects. Clear coating is a big deal to me. I know other people that have the room or that have a shop doing, body shop, stuff like that. They can buff this out, wet sand it, buff it out, and put another layer on it if they want to, and all this stuff. And if I did that, I couldn't airbrush your shirts and hoodies out here with stuff splattered all over the place and all that stuff. I would also have to charge a lot more because of the supplies and rubbing compounds and chemicals involved and time. So I don't clear coat, and I still, like I was saying, I get nervous. I don't know is there going to be a reaction. What's it going to look like? Is it even going to be shiny? Did I mix it correctly? I'm not that guy. I'm not a body shop guy. I don't claim to be. Probably never will be, because I don't think that I'll ever be able to add on a building big enough to have a spray booth to put a car and such in. So I don't know that will be something in my future or not, because there's a lot of body shops around that I can take stuff like this to. You can take your hood and bring it here and get it airbrushed, and you can take your hood, your tailgate, your door, and have a body shop professionally clear coat it and avoid all this. So I'm going to take all this plastic down. If I don't get too distracted. And I'm sorry. And I am going to stand this beast up. Get it taken care of and get my shop put back to, if I can get my hand out of the hanger, get my shop put back to normal so that I can get busy, because this takes an extra half a day for me to put the shop back to normal. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this piece. You'll probably see it again in some other videos. I'll probably make some little cool videos with it while I have it here before it gets picked up, because I'm gonna keep it for a day or two before it gets picked up. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Guys, when you see my work, please drop me a comment. I'll see you in the next one.